Toyota crossbars lock onto the pre-installed roof rails of your Toyota. They offer a convenient and safe way to transport baggage, sports equipment or other loads. They also provide a secure base for a variety of Toyota rooftop carrying attachments, including the Toyota bicycle holder. You can find crossbars to fit your car at a Toyota retailer. They're simple to install. First, check the installation manual to identify the 4 crossbar installation points on the insides of the roof rails. On more recent Toyota models, look for the indentations. Clean these areas with a suitable surface cleaning product. Then apply the protective film, peeling off the backing and lining up the holes in the film with the indentations in the rails before sticking on the film. You're now ready to install the crossbars. Line them up so that the 2 pins at the 4 fixation points go into the indentations. Verify that the bars are straight and aligned. Then tighten the fixation points with the torque key until you hear the key click. Then use the small key, turning it clockwise to lock the bar safely into place. Next, apply the 4 plastic slot covers. Simply mark them at the appropriate length before trimming them. Then, push them into the correct positions on either side of the 4 crossbar fixation points. Finally, open the cap at the end of each bar, and applying some liquid soap to reduce friction, slide each rubber T-slot cover along the full length of the bar. Cut the rubber covers to the appropriate length. Then, physically check the stability of the 2 crossbars to ensure they're firmly fixed. After driving 100 kilometers, use the torque key to check the tightness of the fixation points, tightening them if needed. Do this at 1,000 kilometer intervals. Consult the installation manual for the roof load capacity of your vehicle. For this vehicle, the total weight, including crossbars, attachments and baggage, should not exceed 75 kilograms. Distribute the load evenly with the center of gravity as low as possible, making sure it doesn't obstruct the opening of the trunk. Ensure that the load cannot move. The load may change the behavior of the vehicle on the road. Never drive faster than 120 kilometers per hour with a load on the roof, and make sure there's sufficient clearance when entering a parking garage. Remove the crossbars from the vehicle before entering a car wash, or when they're not in use, to reduce fuel consumption and wind noise. A storage bag for your crossbars can be purchased at your Toyota retailer. If you have any difficulty installing your crossbars, visit a Toyota retailer. There you'll receive expert assistance and the best possible care for your Toyota, ensuring that your driving experience remains safe and pleasurable.